Hello everybody, welcome back to another kit lineup video. I am so excited. This is my July sticker kit and foil lineup. I have no words. This is such a banger lineup. I'm so excited. So like I said, this is for July. I have 4 weeks to show you and let's just hop into it because honestly, they're so good. So let me move my phone out of the way. I'm such a mess. Not quite prepared. So starting with July 4th through the 10th, I am using the Flavortown kit from SPC. So I originally wasn't sure what I was going to be using for the 4th of July kit or 4th of July week. I am using like a 4th of July themed kit for the week we saw the men's national team play, but that was back in June. And when we were printing and I was collating this kit up, I saw that in this kit there are some papers that say USA all over them. And I was like, don't mind if I do. So let me see. I don't normally open these here, but look, USA all over it. And I was like, that would be pretty perfect for the 4th of July week. I love Guy Fieri. I'm really obsessed and like love this kit so much. I used the foodie kit last year, which I felt like has some, I mean, it definitely has similar vibes, but I'm just like so excited for another like definite food-based kit. Have to use both scenes. I love the chicken and waffles. Super excited for this kit and I love this box so much. So this is the Flavortown kit. With this kit, I am pulling in a bunch of items. I have the So Hot underlays from Planet Hannah in both just black unfoiled as well as her orange. I feel like doing a mix of this is going to be pretty fun. I also have from Planet Hannah the overlays, the Flavortown overlays, because I mean like these are hysterical. Like I can't. Just imagine these on like each corner. Like it's just so funny to me. So I have those in orange, and then just to kind of supplement, I have the SPC foil bundle in stars and sparkly orange. It's a little bit of a different orange, but honestly I think it's gonna blend so fun and just look so good together. And I've just been staring at this sparkly orange for forever and I've been wanting to use it. So like I said, for July 4th, Flavortown from SPC, sparkly orange star from SPC, and then I have the Flavortown overlays from Planet Hannah in orange, as well as the So Hot underlays from Planet Hannah in black, non-foiled, and then orange. This is gonna be such a, you ready for it? Fire spread. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. So that is the first full week of July. The second full week I'm also so excited for. It's gonna be annoying. I'm gonna say it a bunch of times, but I'm very excited. So this is July 11th through the 17th. This week, I knew I was using this kit, but I have been back and forth on foil choices for way too long. So this is the perfect game kit from SPC. This is Fire Flames. Like this is such a good kit. I'm obsessed with this. I love the art. Darcy is such a great artist, and I also just love the way Andrea put everything together. I feel like them two together, the eye for design is fantastic, and I'm just really excited to use this kit. So I saw Jessica J. Crew Plans use this kit with the shimmer foil bundle from SPC, which is the mixed metal of gold and champagne lights, and that was beautiful, and it really made me question everything. But there were these Planet Hannah underlays that I have been eyeing, that I have been wanting to use, and I knew this was the perfect kit for them. So I went ahead and I was like, you know what? I moved that foil bundle up. You will be seeing that foil bundle very soon being used. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the underlays. So this is the Chaos underlays in gold. I feel like this is perfect with this kit. Sorry, it's raining outside. It just gives me like retro vibes. I don't even know if you can see them. So like, I don't know. There we go, right there. Oh, they're so perfect. And I just feel like with this kit, they're gonna be just, oh, so good. So I have that, and I was like, well, I need other things, and I didn't really want to go like searching for just like a gold foil bundle. So I was like, let me go into my collection and pull some stuff out because I do have quite a bit of things. So I thought that the sparkle pattern would be good. So I have the sparkle deco bits, I have the sparkle headers, these are all in gold, the full box overlays, and then I have just the plain solid bow washi in gold and the sparkle confetti washi in gold. So I feel like that's gonna be such a good spread. Don't get me wrong, the gold champagne lights would be top tier with this, but I had, like, as soon as I saw it used, I was like, ooh, I know when I'm using this. And like I said, you'll see it very soon. So that is for the week of July 11th through the 17th. Another one I'm so excited for. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is July 18th through the 24th. I am using the Crest Press Kit. This was her April Mystery in Seaside Cafe. I'm gonna move this washi strip to the back so you can actually get a full vision here of these full boxes because they're so good. Look at these. Oh, I just love a good mermaid kit. I really do. And I love the colors of this. I love the like ice cream popsicle vibes. Oh, we just got back from like San Clemente and this just gives me like San Clemente vibes. It's so beautiful. So Seaside Cafe from Crest Press. Obsessed with the colors. So I did just recently, if you watched my April Mystery from SPC plan with me, I was initially going to use the scales underlays from Planet Hannah and literally last minute was like, no, I can't do this. It's not gonna look great. So I was like, you know what? The scales in light blue, which is what I had purchased, would go great with this, but I don't want to just do light blue. I want to bring in the purple. So I purchased scales from Planet Hannah in light purple as well, and I feel like this mixture is going to look great. I was going to do pink with the light blue because there is a ton of pink in this kit. However, I felt like the pink and the light blue would give me very Candyland vibes because I just did the Candyland spread in pink and light blue. So I went with purple and I think it's a good vibe. I also have the Crest Press foil bundle in Mermaid in Hollow. So she did this kit with like a gold hollow, maybe gold shimmery something foil bundle, and that would look pretty, but I just want to kind of go with the hollow vibes with like the blue and the purple, kind of like cool it down a little bit, and I think that's going to be really pretty. So this is going to be for the week of July 18th through the 24th. And then last but not least, July 25th through the 31st. This is the kit that I was very up in the air. I mean, I'm definitely using this kit eventually, but I was okay with moving it, and I still am. Like, you know, something crazy comes out, I'm gonna move it, but I'm comfortable with where it's at now and I'm happy with it. And that is the SPC 8-year bundle. I have all the stuff still here. I need to move it out. I love this kit so much, and I'm like still very up in the air about foil choices with this kit because like I love this luxe pattern in the background. I might like, okay, so it comes with this like Y2K foil bundle, which I'm obsessed with, right? But I'm also thinking about like, what if I like bring in some of the luxe elements, because like they're so pretty. I don't know, I'm having like trouble with this kit. It's like one of the ones I'm very like, thankfully it's at the end of July and I'm not going to get to that until probably August anyway, so like I have time to really sit and like ponder it. It's really raining, my goodness. But I knew initially, so someone purchased this kit, or someone, maybe? Yes, and I took a picture because someone purchased it with the Twinkle Sparkly Green foil bundle, and I was like, oh, heck yeah, that looks so good. Especially because there's like the tiniest bits of green in this kit. I just feel like this Twinkle Sparkly Green is gonna look, again, fire flames with this kit. So I'm having issues. I definitely am gonna use this, but I'm thinking like I might pull in some luxe elements. I'm not sure. I think Hannah might have just come out with luxe underlays, which I could have totally got in like a purple or a pink, which would look really cute. Like a pink with the lime green. Oh, be still my heart. I think that'd be so perfect. So this is gonna be the week for July 25th through the 31st, tentative. I think it will be. I don't think I'm gonna move it, but there's that. So one more time, we'll go over these. I'm so hype on this. So this is July 4th through the 10th. I have the Flavor Town kit from SPC with all the good Planet Hannah goodies. July 11th through the 17th, I have the Perfect Game kit from SPC. Oh my god, I can't even wait to use this kit. I'm like so hyped for this kit. Again, all the gold goodies. July 18th through the 24th, I have the Crest Press April Mystery, which is called Seaside Cafe. Love this, obsessed with this. Again, some Planet Hannah goodies. And then July 25th through the 31st, I have the SPC 8-year bundle with the sparkly green. So that is my July kit lineup. If you have any suggestions on like, especially this, because like, I don't know, I'm so torn, but at the same time, like I don't want to go too overboard, but maybe like luxe underlays, if I can find them from Hannah, would be like really ideal. We'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I can't wait to do these videos for you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one.